In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage a new group status in ClickUp. We'll walk through how to create a new group, often called a status, in a ClickUp list so you can better organize your tasks, move items into that group, and keep your view tidy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to name it, and how to maintain the structure over time. Start by opening ClickUp and logging in. In the left sidebar, choose the workspace you want to work in, then open the space where you plan to add the group. Think of a workspace as the overall container for your team and a space as a focused area for a project or department. Choose the space that holds the list you want to update. Next, click into the specific list that contains your tasks. Take a quick look at how it's organized. If the list or board is grouped by status, you'll see sections like To Do, In Progress, and Done. That's exactly where your new group will live. Look for the Add Status or Add New Group button near the top of the status or group column. The exact label can vary depending on your view or plan, but it's always close to the existing group headers. Now add the new group. Click Add Status or Add New Group and type a clear, action-oriented name. For example, Urgent works great if you need a high priority lane. If you're offered a color picker, choose a color that stands out without clashing with your other statuses. When you're happy with the name and color, click Save or simply press Enter. You'll immediately see the new group appear in your list. To use it, you can drag and drop existing tasks straight into that group. You can also open a task and change its status to the new group name from the task details. Creating a new task, set its status right away so it lands in the correct group from the start. To keep your view clean, collapse or expand the group as needed. Click the small chevron or plus minus icon next to the group name to hide or reveal the tasks underneath. Collapsing doesn't remove or change anything, it just helps you focus. Finally, ClickUp will remember this setup for the list or space. As your workflow evolves, you can add more groups, rename them, change their colors, or delete a group from the status settings. If you remove a group, your tasks aren't lost. You'll simply reassign their status so they stay organized. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.